Just what is NATO anyway, and why is it such a huge deal? NATO, or the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, is comprised of 30 nations and over 6 million personnel, and the combined forces represent the largest single army, air force, and navy in the world. But with such a wide range of personnel, equipment, training, and not to mention language, how exactly would NATO deploy its forces in the event of an attack? The answer to that question is the NATO Response Force. First developed as a strategy in the early 2000s, the NATO Response Force is the ready unit that could deploy to any member nation within 30 to 45 days of an attack. While this might sound relatively slow, this force of about 40,000 strong soldiers, sailors, and airmen form a self-sufficient military that can conduct virtually any operation. The exact composition of the force varies from year to year depending on the contributions of member states and whether units are tied up in training, since to be a part of the response force, any Army, Air Force, or naval unit must first undergo national training, followed by 6 months of integrated training with their NATO allies.